And a high surprise here. Behind the island so that the torps can then be in a still in flanking position to hit sea.
Roger.
Well, cap is uncontested, guys. Okay, cap says. Just be careful on the 910 lines, guys. Could be a heavy attack.
All stations reporting. Affirmative.
Gren, is the cap contested?
Yeah, I'm detected now. Weirdly enough, I am detected, so I think, yeah.
Enemy destroyer detected.
Okay, both DDs are in C, around C, I think. Okay, I'm not radar.
Shimakaze is kind of suiciding.
Let's finish him, guys. If we can hit the fucker. He's burning out, actually. Yeah, you got one. Well done, Buzz. To defend, that's simple as.
Gren, do you have RPF?
I don't, but I am looking at my RPF myself, so I think there's another D with us, and I'm gonna guess. Yeah, somewhere down there, yeah.
Attention, support that target.
Yeah, he's definitely in front of me.
Acknowledged.
Okay, the Yodo is moving in, guys. Start moving back towards the 6, 7, 8 lines. Okay.
No, you have to stay in the cap.
I'm in it, I'm back in. He's actually only just moved into it.
Oh, that's bad. It's Annapolis.
Not good, not good. Guys, I might have to get my shit out of here. Oh.
Fool, you have to come closer, I think.
Yeah, I will.
Alright, I'm going to come out the cap. I'll have to do some. Be useful.
Staying in the cap was very useful.
No, I can do better. The moving in.
No.
I need support.
This was bad move. Yeah. No, you can.
I'm gonna see if I can sink this fucking Anna. Come on.
He has torps and hydro and enough DPM to kill you, no matter which angle you approach.
I like it. Wish me luck. Okay, there he is. Yeah, he knows. He's not soft.
That's how it's done.
Good job on the most one.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target. Support the Allied target.
Okay, out of all that, I managed to get one torp hit on the Maine.
Wow.
All forces, provide cover for that target. Enemy destroyer sighted. Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Good job.
Much obliged.
I'm in shit though. Come on, move, you fucker.
All forces, capture that area. Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Okay, come on, guys. Let's pick this hand up, please.
Affirmative. Get back!
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
And nice GC of Jacksonville. Let's finish him.
Does anybody have radar on the Jacksonville?
No. 30 seconds.
You got one ship in the cap. Come on, guys. Let's do some damage.
Awaiting instructions.
Okay, Jackson's on fire.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Awaiting instructions.
way to do it, gents.
Airborne!
Our victory is in sight.
That's the way to do it, gents.
Well, I almost did nothing, only 31k damage.
Yeah, you were on the edge of the map.
Nice work, guys.
Oh well, their main died and I didn't. Game on.